Hello, welcome back, guys. We're gonna continue our spooky's house of jumpscares with pleasure. It's room 100. Let's go down. Was it E? Oh yeah, this is the... She drank the romantic liquid. No, wait. Oh, it was the other way around. She drank the black stuff. The black, you know, the stuff that's in the black, that's all. Why the fuck do we have even creepier places in this game? What has jump scares, assholes? The jump scares, asshole. Oh my fucking god, which... That ambience was not nice. It wasn't very nice. Can we go backwards? Like, backwurst? You know... Oh, it's this one. It's the room with the latex boys. From the latex crew. I found something today to satisfy my unromantic thirst. I awoke today from a brief faint and found before me a bottle of red wine. I am not sure what brand or year, for there is no label. All I gather is that it tastes strongly metallic. Metallic? Metallic. Yes, very metallic. Very tasty, metallic. Yes. I get stuck every time. I go the wrong directions. One erection. I was at the concert in Finland. I did some work. People hated me. What is this room? People wanna rape me. Oh, it's an arcade machine. Oh, look! What the fuck? Oh no. Wait a minute. Oh, I'm supposed to catch him. Hey, man. Hey, what the fuck is this? Come on, die. Oh, wow! That's kinda scary. Why the fuck would you do that to someone? Why the fuck? Why the Mall of the Spook start. What the fuck? No, I'm missing. Oh, this is so... What? Press back oh, back. I heard space. I was just pressing space and then nothing happened. Please don't let there anything be in this area. This is the last place I want there something to be here. What the fuck are you? Oh, that's just gay. Oh, it sounds like it's all over around. Ah, that's creepy as fuck, man. Oh, Jesus. And I hate spiders anyway. You give a spider to me with like 5 bodies. Oh god, there's those holes in the ceiling. Fuck it, go this way. No, why was there this stuff in this way? Oh, there's so many holes in the ceiling. Oh god. Oh, that's just... Stop. I'm just panicking that the goddamn spiders. Let me have a weapon. I need weapons. Oh, fuck's sake. I mean, seriously, what the fuck was that goddamn spider monster? Fuck's sake. They just have to do everything in the most incorrect way in games. Oh my fucking god, what is this? Yeah, I don't think that was wine. It was blood. We met the spider. What we're gonna meet next is not gonna be nice, probably. Nopey nope. Ooh, well, this looks more comfortable. Oh no, wait, it doesn't look comfortable anymore. Well, the textures look more grey, and I like grey more than fucking brown, so... They really enjoy giving us these stuck parts where you get stuck on walls, and if something's chasing you, you get stuck, and then you die, and then it's like, yay, happy things, happy things, happy day. Straight. Right, no. Left, left, straight, left. Left, left, straight, straight. Oh. That was easier than common. What the fuck is this? Oh, no way. Fuck's sake, the woman's gonna be here, isn't she? Oh, what the fuck? Oh! She's here! Oh, it's like the Slime Monster Man. Like much more fun. Having a creepy woman after you, after all. Not a weird green pedophile, just this weird grey girl. Wine. 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 I'll just go. Oh no! The fuck is going on? I don't fucking want anything to be annoying on me. Laughing all scary songs, no singing happy laughing songs. What the fuck? Oh, scary, scary, spooky, 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 scary skeletons. There was a long note there, I forgot to read it. Why the hell did I not read it? It's not my problem anymore. Oh no, just run, just run, just run. Fucking care, I want a safe station. Fuck's sake, fuck's sake, fuck's sake. Oh no. Ah! Silence was real. Oh no. 200 is next room. Yes. Yes. Fuck's sake, yes. Don't care. I don't know how much longer I can go on. I haven't seen any of my previous notes, so that means either I'm getting somewhere or someone is taking them. Well, no one's taking them, or then it's just me in the future. Or taking them from the past. I go back to the future and take them from the past, and then he's like, it's so confusing. So confusing. Okay, I'm gonna end this episode here. I'm gonna end like every 100 rooms, so... Yeah, that woman was creepy. I did not want to stay there for any longer. I just got beaten my face down and everything. Fucking depressing. But anyway, yeah. See you guys in the next episode with from room 200 to 300. Maybe we'll see the non-face man. Non-face man. Extremely amazing name, indeed. Now, see you guys. Next is the outro.